while we are waiting for some parts to show up for the 8.8-inch rear end, let's get the original axle out of the Ranger today. Basically, the plan is to swap all new leaf springs and everything into this anyway, so we're gonna take this whole kit out as one assembly. So just gonna disconnect the drive shaft, some brakes and some shocks and good stuff like that, and then rip her on out. Let's get into it. So you'll probably notice that these shocks look brand new because they pretty much are. And that's because I bought these things and installed them before I knew what I was doing with the rear end. Woo! No problem. Let's see if the axle is now free. There she is. Okay, now let's see if we can work on getting these leaf springs out of here and get the bigger, longer leaf springs from Skyjacker in. All right, what a great day. We were able to get the old OEM axle out, the old leaf springs, the old sway bar, all that junk out, and in its place, we were able to throw in all the new Skyjacker suspension components, from the 4-inch leaf springs, the shocks, the Bell-Tech leaf spring shackles, all that good stuff. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna wrap this video up here. We're gonna pick up part 2 where we finish up the 8.8-inch axle that's sitting over there, refresh that thing, throw it into the Ranger, and then take it down to Red or Dead Fabrication so he can weld on the spring perches and shock mounts and all that good stuff. So with that being said, thank you guys for tuning in. If you watched this video and you enjoyed it, please leave us a like, and if you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section below. We'll catch you in the next one.